Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peek a Phone. This engaging game challenges you to solve a mystery by delving into a virtual smartphone. First, download the Peek a Phone app on your device. You'll need at least one friend to join you, as the game is designed for 2 or more players. One person will take on the role of the phone's owner, while the other becomes the detective, ready to uncover secrets. As the detective, you'll gain access to a virtual phone, complete with a simulated operating system. This phone is packed with potential clues, including text messages, emails, photos, and various applications. Your task is to meticulously search through all the content, looking for any piece of information that might help you solve the case. Every detail, from a casual message to a photo's background, could be vital. Once you've gathered enough information, it's time to connect the dots. You'll need to piece together the various clues you've found to construct a clear understanding of the mystery. This involves identifying crucial details like character names, specific locations, or underlying motives. The game presents you with a series of questions, and your objective is to use your detective skills to provide the correct answers, solving the case. To truly master Peek a Phone, effective communication with your partner is key. Share your findings and theories openly to build a complete picture. If you find yourself stumped, remember to use the in-game hint system. It can provide a gentle nudge without giving everything away. For an even deeper experience, try replaying scenarios. You might uncover new details you missed the first time, sharpening your detective abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.